Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. It's Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. Today I'm very happy my brother is here and he's sharing his recipe. Assalamualaikum brother.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today what you are making for us?
So today I'm going to make some sumptuous, very tasty prawn starter for you. It's a unique recipe and it's very easy and quick to cook. So it takes hardly 10 to 12 minutes time.
Will you tell the recipe ingredients please?
Yes, so for this we need good tiger prawns, good quality juicy prawns.
It's deveined actually, yeah?
Yeah, it is deveined. It's very nicely cleaned. I think you have done a good job, Nadra. Well done.
Thank you very much.
And we need some oil, and it's 3-4 cup of oil. You can choose oil according to your own taste. Few people like olive, few people like sunflower. Today we're gonna use olive oil anyway. And we need some spices. We need some coarsely grounded black pepper, some paprika.
Brother, if we sometime we don't get paprika, so what should we use instead of paprika?
Paprika, if you don't have, then you can use some chili powder, but do not put too much. It will be very hot. Okay. And we need some salt. And 1 teaspoon of white vinegar.
Okay.
And here we have very finely chopped flaked garlic. We need 2 whole garlic and we have to chop it finely. And we have some freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2. And finally we have some parsley finely chopped.
Prawns, 800 gram. 2 freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2 tablespoon paprika, salt according to your taste, black peppercorn powder 1 teaspoon, 2 garlic, half cup finely chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 3/4 cup of cooking oil.
Okay guys, let us start. So we need a pan and we turn on the cooker. First we have to heat the oil. And we slowly put some flakes of garlic. We need lots of garlic in it, so it gives you a very good taste. So make sure the garlic doesn't turn brown or something like that. Once this starts sizzling, that's the time we'll start putting the prawns in.
Actually garlic doesn't take time. But it burns, it's...
Yeah, when it burns, you know, the color will change. So, thank you. Nadra, can you turn on the heat a little bit more high, on the higher side? It's very healthy and nourishing, and we know the benefits of garlic. It has antibacterial, antiviral properties as well. Now you see the sizzling has started. When you start seeing bubbles coming up, this is the right time that you start putting prawns into it. Now prawn is coming. So we'll fry the prawn till the color starts changing. It starts turning whitish. You can see the prawn has changed its color. It's looking fine and pink. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, some ground pepper, and finally we add some salt. And this is the time we should use parsley. Now, let's paprika. Now the final step is our lemon juice. So you cook till the lemon juice dries off and it's ready. Now viewers, you see the lemon water has evaporated and oil is separated, and it's time to take it out and serve.
Guys, this is spicy and garlicky prawn starter. I hope you will like it and try in your kitchen. I will bring more starter recipe. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.